Folks, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for checking back in. I hope you're having a great day today. I've got another product unboxing and initial review. What I've got for you today is a pair of WeatherTech Floor Liners for my 2004 GMC Envoy. Before I get these unboxed, let me show you the specs on them. Alright, so for my 2004 GMC Envoy, the kit that I bought was product number 460071. And again, it shows here all the makes and models that it fits. Basically every, well not every, but almost all the GM 360 body styles. You know, the Bravadas, the Trailblazers, Envoys, Buick Rainiers, Isuzu Ascenders, basically 2002 all the way to 2009. But I'll put a link down in the description below for this specific one. And again, I'm not affiliated with WeatherTech. This is not a sponsored video. This was a gift from my wife to me. So this is going to be, again, just an unboxing, an initial review, and I'll give you my unbiased opinion on these WeatherTech floor mats. So let's get the boxes open and see what's in them. Unwrapped here. So this is actually the passenger side, I believe. One quick thing I noticed on here, and this should be pretty self-explanatory once you get them put in your car, but on the back nor front does it show you, or does it tell you which one is the left or right. But again, not a big deal. It should be pretty self-explanatory. The driver's side has these two holes, and that is for your retention hooks. I'll show you again how those go in. Now, the reason I got these is I use my car for work. I'm in and out of my car regularly, maybe once, twice a week, 3 times maybe a week, to construction sites. So I've got muddy boots on, and that also, but let me just show you. Let me show you here. Alright, so here is my current floor mat. This is the factory floor mat here, and I've got it flipped upside down for a reason in my car. Let me show you. Look at that. This guy has a hole in it. So this is about 270,000 miles worth of wear on the driver's side, and I want to replace these. So the passenger side is actually in pretty good shape, but I'm going to replace or swap out this one as well. Alright, so before I put my new floor mats in, I'm just going to vacuum it out, clean it up a little bit. Alright, now let me show you how this driver's side goes in. This is about as easy as it gets. Floor mat just slides right in place. And again, being laser measured and precision cut, that fits pretty darn well. And if you remember from earlier, the little retainer clips that I showed you, those go here and here, and those guys actually screw into your carpet. And again, I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use these, give them some normal wear and tear for a couple weeks just to see how they move around and shift in place here before I decide to screw those little grommets, those hold down clips, into my carpet here. It probably won't hurt anything, but I'm just going to see how this thing does. So initial impressions on this floor mat are the fit and finish are spot on. I don't think this could fit any better than it does. The color's nice. I like the gray color. Again, that matches my interior. only time will tell how this thing wears, but again, one thing or another thing that I like about them is that they're all weather. So when I'm, my dirty boots get in here and I get this thing all muddy, I can take them out, hose them off, throw them back in, and I'm good to go. As opposed to the factory carpet floor mats, where I would have to take them out, shampoo them, scrub them, dry them, and then put them back in. These are obviously not a factory look to them, but again, I use my car for work every once in a while. I've got muddy boots in and out of the car, and I think these are going to serve me really well. Let me show you how I put the passenger side in, and we'll take a look at that one as well. Alright, and here is the passenger side WeatherTech floor mat. Again, as with the driver's side, this thing just slides right into place. Now again, the passenger side does not have the holes in it for the tie-down hooks, but again, that's okay. This fits. Let me show you here. Let me get you a little bit closer. Alright, so again, this is the passenger side. The fit and finish of this one as well is pretty darn good. It looks like the laser measurements that they have made for the GMC Envoy are pretty bang on. This one has a little bit of give to it, a little bit of move, but that's okay. Again, the passenger side doesn't see as much traffic as the driver's side, and from what I'm seeing here, the fit and finish all the way around is really good. So there's a look at the passenger side as well as the driver's side, and I will give you my final thoughts on these. Alright folks, so my final impressions on these WeatherTech floor mats for my car anyway is I give them a big thumbs up. So far, initial impressions, the floor mats appear durable, the fit and finish is superb. The patented tri-extruded composite material that they use on the floor mats seems like it'll hold up well to normal wear and tear, and even take a little more abuse than everyday normal wear and tear. Again, for my uses, I use my car every day. I use it to go to and from job sites on occasions. I'm in and out of the car with muddy boots. I think these floor mats are going to hold up really well for my use. Now, one thing I haven't talked about yet is the price of these floor mats. If you've looked up these floor mats online, and again, I'll put a link to the description for the WeatherTech website down below. The floor mats are a little bit pricey. For this pair of floor mats, I want to say it was about $100, $120 for the pair. Compare that to your other big box store flavored floor mats where you kind of trim them to fit. The choice is yours, depending on what you're looking for in a floor mat and what you're willing to spend on the floor mats for your vehicle. For me personally, the $120 floor mats with the quality behind the name WeatherTech, I feel real good about. These floor mats, I'm really looking forward to putting them to use into my car. I highly recommend them. Again, I'm not sponsored by WeatherTech. This is not a paid advertisement for WeatherTech. This is just my honest review and initial impressions of the floor mats. So, again, 460071 are the floor mats for my particular car, which is a 2004 GMC Envoy. Be sure to check out WeatherTech's website and or other online retailers to see what applications fit your vehicle. Alright folks, so there's my initial impressions and unboxing of these WeatherTech floor mats for my 2004 GMC Envoy. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Thanks again for stopping by. Please be sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below if there's anything else you'd like me to unbox and review. Again, thanks for checking the video out, and we'll see you on the next one.